This is an ocean view villa with 3 pools, located in a gated community on a Cabarete surf beach, with a stunning ocean view from the rooftop with infinity pool. This villa also has a pool on the ground floor, in front of an independent apartment that can be rented on Airbnb. The third pool is for the kids, and there's a barbecue area, a large garden, and parking spaces for 6 cars. The home has 3 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms and is within walking distance to the beach, restaurants, and shops. Call today to find out more. For more information on this listing, please contact Amber Coast Realty, your real estate professionals in the Dominican Republic.